Crude oil has started the week with a little recovery here. Yes, the support levels playing out very, very well. We have seen, and I have shared several times why it is important for oil to break below 66.5, which it is right now hesitating to break this zone, and it appears it is trying to bounce back. While natural gas is the one which has given a major gap up today, hitting 3.25 now. Can we say that the bulls are back in the energy? Can we say that the energy sector is energized now? Can we expect a rise here in crude oil and net gas? Or again, the bears will be taking over? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading oil and gas? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Press the bell icon. This is the only channel to give you two updates. The next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that as well. Do like, share, and comment. Let's start first to look into oil, followed with gas. What's happening in oil? Forming a support, trying to break out here. Possibility exists that we may see a rise from. Now remember 67.868, which was the major support, is now going to be the resistance, and hence at this point you have to watch out. And also now on the downside you can find out 67.66.8 appears to be a very, very good support. I hope it should not break this zone at 67, 66.8 and then 66.5. If these two levels are taken, then you can say that the bears will be taking over. See, the moving average is crossing over here is indeed a bearish sign, but I can see a bit of recovery, specifically after the rise, bit of consolidation. And in fact, even if you see now oil trading beyond 67.6 levels, you can expect a further rise towards 68. Now, do notice this. This is how it has been trading, and a breakout is what you should expect here. What has happened here? See this drop retracement. Now here also slight drop. It could retrace towards where? Retrace towards 69.70, and breaking beyond 70 is where the bulls are waiting. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI rising. Nice support here is seen for further rise in prices. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation here after this forming the flat base here, trying to recover, and once it breaks out beyond 67.868 and specifically beyond 68.6, you can say certainly we are looking forward to a greater rise, greater recovery. Yes, this crossover is bearish, but the prices are trading with divergence, and now any move beyond 70.69 is certainly is a sign of reversal. Yes, the stochastic is rising. MACD, after hitting the lows, it is crossing over. It can try to recover further. Let's watch out if it does show a recovery. RSI rising as well. On the 3, similar observation here on the 3-hour charts. I can see a reversal sign. I can see a support here. Let it break beyond 67.6 levels, and then you could just stay bullish and wait for it to break beyond 68.4, 68.6 and 69 in order to confirm a reversal here. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI is showing a bit of rise, and on the 4-hour charts, and you see, I can see similar formation here in 4-hour charts. A reversal sign is seen, a bottom is created. Let it break out, and then you can expect a very strong rise, very good rise here. Possibility is there that we may see 68, 68.6, but any break on the downside below 66.8 and then 66.5, 66.4, I think the scope for bullishness is the scope for rise will vanish here, because once it trades below 66.8 and 66.4, 66.5, the bears will be taking over. On the 4-hour charts, also forming double bottom, it is posting a recovery, again a good healthier sign for the bull. And on the MACD part, drop, retracement, drop, it could cross over and retrace. Let's expect it to deliver the same. RSI flat at bottom. Coming to the day, look at the daily charts. What's happening on the daily charts? Very, very important to note the divergence here, which is bearish, and the second thing is the curvature of the 20 period moving average, which is downwards, which is again a bearish signal. But look at this, look at this is the fourth time when oil is coming back to 66, 67 zone, and we have seen oil reversing from these levels now almost 3 to 4 times. I hope this time it is not an exception and we can expect a recovery. Now, where it is going to recover towards, remember the rise here, it is erased all the gains and it is trading in this channel. So any move beyond 70 and then 72 is a clear sign of reversal. What's happening for the day? I will wait for the new candle to begin here in this chart. Specifically, the next candle is will begin now for the day, and thus when you see the next candle above 67.6, expect that by the end of the day the prices are going to be above 68 plus level. And if it breaks 68.2 and 68.6, you can expect 69, if not today then tomorrow. But right now I will say there is a fair bit of chances for a little recovery in oil prices today. Stochastic oversold here, MACD is bearish here, and RSI rising. So looking at this, before I provide the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my Signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you SAF-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, I will recommend you to buy here at 67.4, 67.6 zone itself. This is going to remain crucial for the day. If it stays above this, I will be looking forward to 68, 68.2, and then 68.5, 68.6. So three levels here. If these three levels are taken, certainly the bulls will be taking over here. And then we can look forward to a very good rise where the prices can move towards 69.3, 69.6 zone again. For the day, yes, if you're buying at 67.4, 67.6 zone, you have to be extremely careful till towards 68.5, 68.6 levels here, only above which you can say that the bulls will be active. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry. Now you know that the selling entries are pretty clear. It is only below 66.8. And if you see oil below 66.8, stay short for 66.5, 66.4 first, and then 66, 65.8 second. If these two levels are taken, remember, it's a breakout. Remember, it's not going to come back. We are looking forward to further drop, and then 64.8, 65 levels will appear below 64.5, 64.8, 65 levels. I think oil is set to deliver a correction here. I do not expect this to happen, but yes, I have to provide the levels to you such that you can keep a note of and trade accordingly. Now, this is all for oil. Let's move to natural. What a massive gap up natural gas has given. See, it has moved towards 3.25. And after moving towards 3.25, it is trying to erase some of the gains. Now, one thing is, it is clear that the support on the downside towards 2.9495 is strong. Remember what's happening after the drop. It is traded here bearish. It is breached out now on the upside. And now again, if you see net gas staying above 3.2, 3.25. Remember, I've shared this thing one last week as well. 3.1, 3.2 is very, very critical. And it is back to this zone, and thus if you see it now staying above 3.2, that is the point of time you can buy again, expect 3.25 and 3.3. And any move beyond 3.3 should take it towards 3.5, 3.6 levels very, very soon. See, the moving average is crossing over here. This is a bullish cross happening after a multiple candles, and thus it could stay here with slight bullishness. On the downside now, as long as 3.1, 3.05 is not taken, we should not be treating this as bearish. Stochastic looking down. See, MACD is trading with extreme divergence. Though it is not that it cannot rise further, but right now it is trying to diminish the gap, and that is why we can see few red candles here. RSI coming out of the overbought zone, coming to 2 hour. On the 2 hour charts, the moving averages have converged, not yet crossed over. There is a huge gap available here. But I think for natural gas, the gap doesn't matter. There are a lot many gaps left on the upside and on the downside as well. So right now, you can also notice on the 3 hour charts, it was outside Bollinger Bands. It is falling back within the zone. It is waiting for the moving average to climb up and the bands to expand. Finding the support here at 3.12, 3.1, it can bounce back up again. And thus, I will not treat this as bearish as long as now 3.1 and 3.05 is not taken. Stochastic overbought, MACD bullish, RSI coming out of the overbought zone here. On the 3 hour charts, the observation is similar here. Yes, you can say after the gap up, it is trying to erase some of the gains. If you now in fact see oil or natural gas trading 3.12, you can take a sell there, expect 3.1, 3.075 and 3.05 levels as the three support levels. Only below 3.05 is where the bears will be active. As long as 3.05 is not taken, we should remain extremely cautious and alert with the sells. Stochastic overbought, MACD bullish, RSI is flat at top. On the 4 hour, the observation is more or less same. The moving averages are trading with slight bearishness, and you can also notice the support levels here on the downside, ideally forming a double bottom. It is good to set for a rise. It appears forming a double bottom. Let's watch out more, and also notice on the 4 hour charts, very important. Right now, I can see it is struggling or it is staying in the zone. Any move beyond 3.3, 3.4 should be a clear indication of a stronger breakout in the net gas prices, and thus 3.3, 3.4 levels is something you should watch out for this week. Any move beyond this, we are looking at 3.6, 3.8, and $4 levels very, very soon. Uh, Possibly in the month of December itself. Let's watch out if it breaks the critical resistance zone at first 3.3, 3.4, and then 3.6, 3.64. So these are the two key levels. And now if you look at the stochastic, this is overbought. The MACD rising, the RSI is comfortable here. Coming to daily chart, look at the daily charts here. You can find out a gap here, trying to erase some of the gap, taking the support from the 20 period. It can bounce back up again. You can notice it has formed a very good support here at around this zone. And now if it breaks beyond 3.2, 3.3, 3.3, 3.4 zone, I think we are looking forward to a stronger rise here. Yes, the stochastic is rising while the MACD is still bearish and RSI is looking upward. So looking at, I'll recommend you to sell here at 3.12 and then expect 3.1, 3.075, 3.0405. And if it breaks this zone, then stay bullish for bearish for $3 levels. I do not expect this. And on the upside now, I will recommend a buying entry at around 3.1718 levels and expect 3.2, 3.24. And if these two levels are taken, then 3.3 is also possible. Breaking beyond 3.3 is where the bulls are waiting. I think we are looking forward to a phenomenal rise beyond these levels where we can in fact expect 3.6, 3.8, $4 levels very well. Take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Do watch the next update before the US session. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.